I'm kidding. But we're here with special guest, Child. Get over here.
Hi.
My sister, who today we're going to be reviewing her fidgets, because I feel like it. Shut up, this is my YouTube channel. So first we got the infinity cube. It's pretty cool. It just flips all around. Flippity dippity doppity doo, doppity doppity. She's annoying. Flippity dippity doppity doo. You know, I'd give this a 6 out of 10. Next we got the bike chain. Okay, so this is interesting. I don't love it, but like I can do this. So
It's in the burn. It's in the burn.
okay, I guess like 5. Then we got the giant rainbow puppet. I can feel my anxiety wearing away. I'll give this a 4 because every basic girl has it. So okay, then we got this. This isn't really a fidget. I know because I had these growing up. I had a purple one, and it died in a horrific clipping accident that killed my entire family, and then I became Batman. Okay, so that's my backstory. If any of you guys ever want to know. Here we have a squishy. It's rainbow. It's nice. It's aesthetic, as the girls say, I guess. 7 out of 10 Ismail. Then we have new puppet. See, this is what you don't want. You pop one and you pop them all. You just keep popping. And I just don't like poppets because every girl at my school has them. I'm fine with them. I don't like fidgets in general. But let's get on. Okay, this is the 4th one. Mochi. These little dumplets. They allow these in my school for some stupid reason. Because the teachers are stupid and little freaking blobs compared to the power the students have, apparently. You could bring a Glock into the school. Teachers would be like, oh, yeah, cool. We're not going to reprimand you or call the cops or do any of that. Because we're little blobs of flesh that are just here to be like, nah. Listen, I go to middle school. Shut your little trap.
I'm almost in.
Now, here's the last one on our list. It's an aesthetic package.
Did you really eat that? Go to your corner and cry. Hamburger cheese, like a big Mac Whopper.
It's so aesthetic. Kill me. I am being held hostage.
Okay, we're going to do part 2 when we do fidget trading.
Kill me. I don't want to live in this plane.
Part 2.
Okay.
Bye guys, we're going to part 2.
We're in part 2.
Guys,
Hello,
in
stupid
part 2.
people.
Okay. Hey, my dudes. Today we're fidget trading. These are my fidgets. I'm the richest girl in town. First, I'm trading this ultra rare bike chain.
You mean whirly swirly?
Shut up, you dingo.
No. Coco, help me.
Melon.
My dog's not gonna help.
Daisy.
I will trade my super rare squeez'em.
Add Miss Girl.
And this puppet.
Deal, I scammed you. Hamburger cheeseburger Big Mac Whopper.
Okay, what are we trading next?
First, I'm trading my infinity cube and this squishy.
For this bike chain, you gotta add more.
Fine, I'll trade this emoji.
And please.
I'll add this flower puppet.
And please.
I'll add this squishy.
And please.
I'll add this square puppet.
And please.
I'll add this pencil.
And please.
I'll add this stress ball.
And please.
Okay, fine, I'll add this iPad mini.
Get that away from me. I do not stick to the earthly tether. I purely live off fidgets. Take it, you stupid poor girl. Okay, so she's got the bike chain. I got all the other crap. You just swear?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. You said hitch, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to make sure you didn't say the bad girl words.
Bad fatty words of the earth.
Okay, what are you treating?
This ultra rare bacon and the shot glass. Shots. Shot.
Tastes like fresh piss. I hate you already. And please.
He's so ultra rare.
Okay, I'm trading this ultra
How
rare.
to be a baddie? Always say rawr. Hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac, Whopper.
No.
Always eat your mother. I will go to your corner and cry. Big fat pig in the neighborhood. Go to your corner and cry. Like a
Okay,
big
are
fat
you
pig.
going to take my mochi?
Yep, I'm stealing your things.
Okay, so I get the bike chain and you get the.
Bye. Okay, I'm still poor, but like. Okay, B.
Okay, what are you trading?
I don't know. You go first.
I'm going to trade this Betty Baka bike chain.
Go to your corner and cry.
No way, guys! She just gave me an ultra rare piss glass.
I'm Gladys. I eat Gladys.
Like from Portal?
Yes.
The cake is alive.
I will go to your...
Okay, what are you giving out again?
This,
Squeeze
this
on.
green mochi and...
Green mochi. I will, and please, for half of mine, you,
This puppet and this too. That's what it all had.
for even one of my fidgets, you'd have to add at least $1 million of fidgets.
You.
Help me.
I will go to the corner and cry.
Apparently, She-Hulk over here is holding me hostage.
I'm Charlie D'Amelio.
No, you gotta put it
Hey, Addison Ray, I'm
put
better
it
than
all
you.
over your face. Now say, now say, I am the baka that sleeps in the trees.
The baka who sleeps in the trees. Period.
Okay, I take my infinity cube.
Yeah.
Infinity cube, what's up? But we have
Shut
Squeeze
up.
come in, squeeze them, moach them, and bike chain them.
Now time to do actually real figure trading.
Okay.
What's your... Okay. Oh my god. Hey, Mochi.
Hey, stupid person, I want to kill you.
Puppet's so rude, right?
Hello, I am Puppet. I'm going to murder you all in your sleep. Murder me.
You can't get off of me because I'm a brick.
Simple.
I sent 4 other Puppet because he's hot as hell.
Help.
Let me eat him tasty. Okay, and I will, and hey dudes, my name is Mochi. I will fart in a jar and you smell it.